Hello and welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so we're going to be in a key of C today. Don't forget, when I teach you something in C, you can take it to C sharp, you can take it to D and all the other keys. Yeah, a lot of people ask, a lot of people are like, does he even play on all keys? Okay, I am a preacher of all keys. So trust me. So I play on all keys, but I teach on C mostly and F sharp and co, because I notice most of my viewers play on those keys. So that's why I do my tutorials on most of those keys. God bless you. 5, 5, 4, 1. So I'm going to show you a 736 I've heard from some good players in the key of C. All right, so we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So look at something like this. For you are great, you do. Something like this. Down. Miracle so great. So let me show you what I'm doing. So on my 7, I'm doing a move from the sharp 4, or rather, let's say a flat 5. So I'm teaching like this so that you can take this to all the other keys. So from your flat 5 all the way to your minor third. Yeah. So then I'm playing what's it called? B. Okay, this chord together. This is like we have a B, E flat on the left, and then we have a what's this? Okay, this is an altered chord. That's a E major 7 flat 5 in the E flat major 7 flat 5. Yeah, this is E flat major 7. So that's a E flat, G, B flat, and D. But the one we are doing is as a flat 5. So we have a E flat, G, A, and D. So that's E flat major 7 then flat 5. So they do something like this. So instead of doing that we used to do, I know I've taught you that before. Okay, I've taught you this. Yeah, let me not go too much because the videos are on the channel already. Yeah, so don't forget to click the subscribe button as we continue. So we have. Then on your 3 you do something like this. You can add the F. So this is like an let me call it the dominant 7 chord. Right. So this is what's it called? D, F, A flat, and then C. So on your right, or that's on your right. On your left, you just have a 3. That's E. You can do E, B, and A flat. If you can reach that, if you can't reach it, it's no problem. So don't forget then 6. That's what's it called? A, E, B, C, E, G, and then B. So yeah. Let me give you this 2-5 chord. So on my left hand I have a flat doubled. On my right I have a E major, right? Second inversion to B, E, and A flat. Then on my 5 I have a 5 is doubled as a G. On the left we have a B flat major 7, that's a B flat, D, and A. So together we have ba 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 ba, then let me give you this one too. This is a minor dominant 13 called C dominant 13. So that's C dominant 13, C7 on your left. We have if I'm going to break it into upper structure, we have a what's it called? We have a C7 on your left, and then an upper structure called that's A minor. So together we have pa 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 pa. then you can do any 4. So that's for you are great, you do miracles so great, there is no one else like you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you. I remember myself, Johnsonkeyz. God bless you. Bye.